Most students spend 5 hours designing slides and 1 hour actually studying for either their project or presentation. In 2026, that's a massive mistake. Stop wasting 5 hours on slide design. In 2026, if you aren't using AI to build your presentations, you're falling behind. I'm going to show you how I finished a week's worth of work in 2 minutes. What's up, Sammy Techies? Welcome back to Tech Sammy, where you discover digital skills and powerful AI tools that does 90% of the work for you to help you stop working harder and start working smarter, earn online, and grow faster. In today's video, I'm going to show you the AI tool that literally does the research, the writing, and the design for you. So make sure you watch till the end. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable content like this. Meet NextDocs, the AI first editor that turns ideas into polished documents and slides in seconds. The problem with traditional tools is the manual labor. You have to find the data, format the LaTeX equations, and find icons. It's a massive time sink for students. Unlike other AI tools that give you generic junk, NextDocs pulls real citations and even handles complex math with LaTeX. Just type your topic and watch it build 3 different versions of your deck instantly. Start with a prompt. Describe what you want to create. Watch this. I'm typing a complex topic into NextDocs. Notice how it doesn't just give me text. It builds a structured narrative. It handles the citations and the layout simultaneously. Look at the LaTeX support here. It's perfect for STEM students. If you need any changes, ask AI and see it update instantly or edit manually. Say, add pictures to each slides. Need more options? Generate multiple versions at once. Compare different themes and choose what feels right. Pitch decks, proposals, research reports, training materials, even social content, all done. Want everything to sound and look like you? Upload brand assets and guidelines, colors, fonts, and logos. Every document and presentation stays on brand every time. Ready to share? Export with one click in any format: PDF, Google Slides, PowerPoint, Google Docs. From first idea to polished on brand work faster. Creating beautifully designed documents or slides shouldn't feel like a struggle. That's exactly why NextDocs makes it effortless, giving you the freedom to create, edit, and access your work right from your mobile device. Fast, seamless, and completely stress-free. That's it for today's video, Sammy Techies. If you enjoyed this video and found the AI tool helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications bell so you don't miss the next one. And if you want to keep learning more AI tools and digital skills, firstly, click the link in the description to access my free 1 million side hustle blueprint guide, especially for you techies, especially if you're a student and want to make money for yourself while in school. Also, look out for the next video. Till then, stop working harder and start working smarter. Thanks for watching. It's me, your favorite AI and tech coach, Tech Sammy. I'll see you in the next one.